Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Asana notifications in Microsoft Teams. To do that, you need to connect Asana and Teams together. So you want to go ahead and go into your Asana account and click your account in the upper right hand side and go to Profile. Then click on Edit Profile. You want to go to the Notifications tab, scroll down a bit and you will find Microsoft Team notification. Just simply go ahead and click and connect. This is going to open up a new window. You will need to go ahead and get Asana here. So you'll need to click get it now. And once you go ahead, you can use this within the app source of Microsoft to actually get Asana to work with Microsoft Teams. So choose, for example, to get this now. You want to go ahead and sign into Microsoft App Source. And once you sign in successfully, you'll be able to get this. Then you'll be able to connect the Asana notifications to Microsoft Teams. This is not very hard, very easy. Just go ahead and ensure that you connect and download. And once you're done, you'll be able to connect them. Then you will start to receive those notifications within Microsoft Teams.